Easter is here. It's do or die. Nothing represents Easter quite like eggs. Do you know why a different egg is considered a medium, small, large, jumbo?
The size of the hen.
Oh, no, it's not the size of the hen. We need a script. So today what we're gonna do is we're gonna crack some eggs. Because we have all these eggs, we decided that we're gonna make a frittata. We've gone ahead and created some natural dyes using just vegetables, a turmeric base, beets, red cabbage, and blueberry.
I'm going to get started on making some dyed eggs the easy way. We're going to use this pastel food coloring.
Ooh,
You're making a frittata. Get back there.
guys, come on.
Wow.
Come on.
Ooh, look. My egg's done. So these are